that I carry. I have my, because I have this oily T-zone and this really dry that whenever I am AC when Hello everyone, welcome to the Bohemian Dreamer. Those of you who are already subscribed to my channel, hello and welcome back. And for those who are not yet subscribed, hello, I am Anindita from the Bohemian Dreamer. We make travel and lifestyle videos once a week. Actually not so much travel now, only the lifestyle part is going on. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so never miss another exciting videos from us. Also, I am active on my other social media handles. You can check them out there and also can follow me there. Today I am here with a what's in my bag tag. Actually, you can say it is my travel bag. This is the bag. This is huge. You can see that I can hide behind it. This bag is from Daily Object and I usually like to take these huge bags everywhere I go so that I can have all the items easily accessible in here. Let me show you what I carry with me whenever I am outside traveling. Okay, so first thing, even before I start showing you what's inside this bag, what usually inside my bag is this phone. This is a pretty old phone, but it is doing okay. Okay, so this bag has a lot of stuff in it and there are 3 pockets inside which I can show you later once this is empty. Let me start with the smallest pocket. I have this sunscreen here with me. This is the Aroma Magic Aloe Vera Sunscreen Gel. I have this oily T-zones and this really dry cheeks, so that makes me a combination skin girls. This actually is in a gel formula, so it doesn't get very oily whenever I apply it. Next up, I always keep this lip balm. This is the Maybelline Baby Lips. I have used many other branded lip balms, but somehow this is the one that always sticks with me and I like this one. This is in the Watermelon Smooth shade. This actually doesn't provide you any color. This is basically just for the flavor. Let me move on to another pocket. It has a fancy shade of sunglass that I picked up from Bangkok. You can see it in my Bangkok vlog as well. I will put the card out here so that you can check this out. Next up, okay, this is a must have, not only for right now, but I always usually like to keep a hand sanitizer with me ever since I have known about them. All the smaller pockets are done. Let me move on to the chained pockets. So in the chained pocket, you can see I have my headphones, earphones always with me. I am that kind of girl who always like to listen to music and podcasts and just roam in her own world. So this is a must have for me. I always need these headphones. Then I keep my changes here so that they are also easily accessible. And next up, the mosquitoes love me, so I love this one. This actually keeps the mosquitoes away and it is pretty effective. There is that one. The pockets are done. Okay, so let's move on to the bigger area of that bag. First thing I have is this water bottle. This is made of stainless steel and it reduces my plastic usage, so that is why I like this. Next, I have my phone charger, basic phone charger. This is what I use to charge my phone and also this power bank. I am actually looking forward to upgrade this one as well. Next stuff I always have this is my medicine pouch. This is a basic Ziploc bag and in here I keep all kind of just regular medicines, but I always carry this. So there is that. Next up I have a comb, basic comb, plastic one. Okay, next is something interesting. So these are bamboo straws actually. One, yeah. So yeah, they look like this. So I love drinking coconut water, but I don't like to use the plastic straws they give with it. So that is why I always like to keep this one. And I picked it up from Bangkok as well. Next stuff, umbrella, basic umbrella. Okay, next stuff is body butter. This is from McAfee and it is their Choco body butter range. So what happens is that whenever I am inside AC room or inside the flight or anything, my hands tend to get pretty dry. So I like to keep this body butter with me. Also this one is in glass package, so this does make the bag heavy in a little minute amount, but I like to have it in glass bottle rather than in plastic bottles. Next I have some clutchers. Next up I have this huge pack of safety pins with me. I cannot leave my home without this. These are my glasses. So I have power, I have negative power, so I cannot see very bright without these glasses on, so that is why I need to have them in my bag all the time. Next up I have this menstrual cup with me. So every lady out there needs to keep a cup or pad or whatever you are using out there inside your bag, because you never know when you might need it. Next up I have a pack of tissues, pretty old wallet. Basic stuff again. I am looking forward to upgrade this wallet as well. Do let me know your recommendations out there in the comment box. Next up I have my Kindle. So I'm a pretty fast reader, so finishing 3 or 4 books in 2-3 weeks is not a big deal for me. Then the bag would get pretty heavy. Then I got this one as a gift from my husband. This changed my life. Actually I can carry multiple, like thousands of books in it, and I can read whenever and wherever I want. So this is a lifesaver. Next stuff is my makeup bag. This is a cute bag from Miniso. I picked this bag up from Bangkok as well. Let me show you what's inside this one. First off I have a pack of rubber bands. Then I have this oil blotting paper. These are blotting papers, so I picked them up from Bangkok as well. I have used up quite a few, so they don't smudge your makeup at all. They just blot the oil from your face, so these are pretty convenient for me. Next stuff, this Dream Satin Cake from Maybelline. This stuff does the work for your primer, your concealer and your foundation, so all three together. I carry it with me all the time. Next I have these basic sponges, so I use them to blend my makeup if I do any. Then I always keep this P-Safe toilet seat sanitizer with me. It does give me the mental satisfaction whenever I am using toilets in the airport or any public toilets, so I like to use this. Next up I have this small pocket perfume from Titan Skin. Next I have this CC cream from Lakme. I like to use it because it is not that much cakey or heavy on your face, and this is pretty light, and that is why I like it. Next I have a set of eyebrow razors. This one worked pretty well, and for the price range that they have, they are actually pretty good. Next I have this concealer from Maybelline. Next up I have this Color Bar mascara. This is the Lash Illusion mascara. So I just bought it. It's not been long, like I have used it for once or twice maybe. Next I have this liquid sindoor, and yeah, I like to keep it in my bag, and if there are any occasion, any Indian occasion or any family occasion, family gathering, I like to use this. Next up is for some lipsticks. I have these 3 lipstick with me. These 2 are the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and I don't use these 2 very often because it is very tough to get them off your skin, and that can make your skin very rough. So I only use them on special occasions, and I actually have this one on right now. If I have to go out for 1 or 2 hours, then I use this one, this small one from Nykaa. Let me swatch it for you. This is a beautiful color. Next I have this eyeliner. I have this eyeliner from Maybelline. This is the Colossal liner. Actually I use this whenever I am in a hurry. This is very easy to use. Just swipe it in and you are done. So I like this one. And except that, I have this L'Oreal Profound Black Gel Eyeliner and the applicator here. I like to use it if I have 5 minutes to spare because this does give a professional artistic look, you know. I am down to last 3 items. This is a lip liner by Nykaa, and it is from their Lips Don't Lie range. I like to use this nude one because it goes under anything, I think, like under red or any other color lipsticks. This one goes well. The last but not the least is this Nykaa kajal. So this is Rock the Line kajal, and this is a pretty basic kajal, and I have used up quite a good quantity of this. Last thing I have in the bag is this jasmine perfumed oil I bought from Sri Arvinda Ashram, Pondicherry. This is a very fragrant oil and oh my god, I love this fragrance. If I keep it inside the bag will also keep smelling better. Otherwise I like to like rub it inside my wrist like that, and just do this. Since this is the oil, rubbing your skin together doesn't smudge the smell, and it actually lasts very long. This is a good smell, I like it. Alright, so that's all from this bag and from this bag. So that's all I keep inside this bag, and I like to keep a huge bag with me because I don't like to get caught off guard. Whenever suppose it is raining and I don't have an umbrella and I'm stuck somewhere, so I don't like that. I have been there and I didn't like that. So that is why I like to have a huge bag full of things. So I am thinking about posting another video where I can show you guys like how I pack my luggage bag. Usually I just take 2 bags with me, this one and another small one where I keep all my toiletry stuff and also my clothes. So please be subscribed to the channel, and also ask your friends and families to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss another video from us. And see you in the next weekend. Until then, bye.